Hello and welcome back to Northwestern Models, and today I'm going to show you how to put together the N-Gage Beach Hut kit from Three Peaks Models. So let's get started.
So let's have a look inside the pack for the Beach Hut. Now I imagine it's going to be similar to the 001, which I did a couple of weeks ago. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Right, so we've got main body, roof piece and a little sheet of instructions. Just highlights the things there. So it is very similar, so I think it's going to go together very easily and very well. So Three Peaks Models, the kits are 3D printed, so that means they are 3D printed plastics, and as such we can use super glues. Now hopefully you can see there that where the roof is going to attach is very shiny there. So to give the super glue an extra bit of a chance, I'm just going to use a little bit of sandpaper and just rough the roof area up where it's going to be sticking on. This is just to give it an extra bit of a key to help it more than anything. You don't need to go mad with it, just a light dusting over, and the same on the inside of the roof piece as well, like so. Right, now then, glues. They recommend you can use any sort of super glue, so I'm going to use the Rocket Rapid from Deluxe Materials. It's quick and easy to use, and as I'm sure you will have seen if you've watched a number of these videos, I use it quite a lot. So let's put a little bit of glue on where the roof's going to go. You don't need a lot, and then it's a case of line up the roof and stick it in place. It should overhang a little bit at either end, but just make sure it's central and pushed well down, and the glue will grab it and hold it fairly quickly. That is basically the kit made up. Now then, when it comes to painting it, you're going to want to first of all give it a coat of some sort of primer, probably a spray primer or something like that, and then, well, beach huts generally were painted white and would have had some sort of stripes, or they were just brightly coloured, so you could paint it white and have maybe some red or blue, yellow, green sort of stripes to it, or you can just paint them any colour that you wanted really. Might be worthwhile just having a look at some beach huts, on the coast. Godrington Sands down near Paignton is a good place where there's a lot of beach huts in various different colours and things for a bit of inspiration. So there we are, that's the kit, nice and easy, nice and simple, job done.
So there we are, that's how to put together that little N-Gage beach hut. Really nice and simple, so it's ideal if you've got a little seaside type layout, and obviously just needs a bit of paint to finish it off. So anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, do remember to give us a good old thumbs up, and also make sure that you hit that subscribe button below as well, because that does help it out a little bit. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and until next time, happy modelling.